Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We are here in Calas de Mallorca, a small coastal town about 50 kilometers from Palma. It's a peaceful and charming place, perfect for a relaxing holiday away from the crowds. The beaches are clean, family friendly, and the crystal water is ideal for swimming and snorkeling. For those who enjoy nature, there are scenic walking paths along the cliffs offering stunning views of the sea. If you are planning a visit with the kids, there are plenty of fun activities to keep them entertained. The town has everything you might need, from shops that sell beach gear, towels and flip-flops, to restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy fresh seafood, tapas and local specialties. Getting around is pretty easy, whether on foot or by local bus or taxi. You will also find ATMs almost everywhere, practically on every corner, so there is no need to worry about cash. For a bit of adventure, you can take a short trip from here to visit the famous Dredge caves or explore other beautiful villages along the coast. All in all, Calas de Mallorca is a great spot for a laid-back, sunny escape. So I'm here in Calas de Mallorca. Personally, I found this place most beautiful on Mallorca. I was in almost every place here on Mallorca island, and I can say 100% that This one is one of the most beautiful, with one of the most beautiful beach, local beach. So the prices here are very much similar like on all islands. So for the one night, I talk about all-inclusive hotel, you need to pay somewhere between 160 to 200 euros. There is a plenty of good hotels here.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free. Used to be anonymous. Now the world has seen your face. Living life is dangerous, but there's a map for every maze. Yeah, you can be a bird, tell the stories you have heard, and live your life today. It doesn't matter what they say.
The town itself has plenty of shops where you can buy everything what you need, from towels to, I don't know, everything what you need for the beach. So basically you don't need to bring anything here, because I don't know, big towel for the beach costs maybe 4 or 5 euros, something like that. If you are coming with children, there is plenty activities to keep them entertained. So basically this is a place for the families with the children. You'll find ATMs almost everywhere. Practically on every corner you have ATM.
Let me hold you one last time. Let me hold you one last time. Let me hold you one last
And that's it from Calas de Mallorca, a coastal spot with some of the clearest water you'll see on the island, dramatic cliffs, and one seriously beautiful beach. Whether you're here to explore, swim, or just take it easy, it ticks all the boxes. Simple, scenic, and easy to enjoy.